Guys, today I'm going to show you the microlights that I got today. So let's do this. So this one I got cheesy. Next one, I think it's from season 1 or season 2. I don't know. But I know the Mimi is from season 2. I can tell because she's a fluffy baby. I don't know this name and I don't know which season it's from. Comment down below to tell me which season it's from and what name it is. So I got all of these, so let's take out the package. You can see it light up. And I got 4 of them, and I know I have 3, but one is still not open, so I'm going to open it and see which one I get. Feel what it is, and I'm about to eat my Lunchable. I'm guessing it's Molly Mops, so let's check. Drum roll, please. It is Molly Mops. I figured it would be. So every one you have to get Molly Mops. Alright, you guys, that's it for today. Bye.